The classification of harbor, as we have stopped in the last session, we have seen the classification of harbor based on the protection need. As by the protection need, we have seen the three types of harbor. First one is the natural, then semi-natural, and the artificial. In today's we will be going to second classification of the harbor based on the utility. As per utility means by of uses which will be using the harbor. The first one is harbor for the refugee. The refugee who needs to seek for shelter. The next one is the commercial harbor which will be using for the trading purpose. The next one is the fishery harbor for selling the fish. The next one is the military harbor which will be used by the military for the Indian Army purpose. The next one is the marina harbor which will be used by the marine force. Now continue on to this classification. Harbors of refugee. The harbor used for the ship in storms or emergency. As I mentioned earlier, the refugee means the ships or anyone who needs to use the seeks for the shelter in some kinds of emergency condition. The good anchorage and safe and easy access from the ship. This should be easily accessible from the sea. Its requirement is ready accessibility, safe and convenient. Facility may be required in this type of harbor are supplies and repair. As you can see here, the image showing of the harbor of refugee. Now on to the continuation of classification of harbor to the commercial harbor. It may be part of a bigger complex harbor or independent unit or a single community harbor. Terminal is oil terminal or coal port, means for trading purpose. If you are selling or if you are transporting oil or coal or any type of utilities, its requirement is spacious accommodation. Storage sets are also required. Repair facility also will be there, and more shutters conditions are to be needed. As you can see here, the pictures of commercial harbor, Adani Port or Kandla Port is an example of port, and we are seeing the classification of harbor. In port and harbor, as you have taken the online lectures, you have seen there is no much difference between the port and harbor, but every port is a harbor, but every harbor is not port, because in harbor you can only shelter for in emergency kind of situation, sick, refugee or anything, but in port you can loading and unloading and every type of activity. So this is a minor difference between port and harbor. Commercial harbor, another showing pictures of commercial harbor. Classification of harbor continues in the fishery harbor, provided for fishing crafts and travelers. Its requirement is constantly open for the departure and arrival of the fishing ship. Loading and unloading facility will be needed. Refrigerated stores will be needed for the refrigerator to fish. Here is the image showing the fishery harbor. Classification of harbor continues into the military harbor. The harbor is meant for the accommodation of naval craft and serve as a supply depot. The layout of this type of harbor is a great influence by its location. Its requirements should accommodate for the army naval vessel. They serve as a depot also. Bombay and Cochin Harbor are the best example for the naval bases. Here you can see the military harbor. Naval bases ship are parked here, as you can see in this image. Here is also military harbor showing in this image. Continuation in the classification of harbor. Last but the least, marina harbor. The definition is the marine harbor is providing facility for fuel, food, showers and telephones for small boats owner having temporary or permanent berths. Berths means just for staying, just for parking purpose, to just for the repairments or fuel charge, fuel filling up, or for eating purposes or some communication service purposes. So classification is the large marine and small marine. If you have 200 or more berths, then will be in the large marines. And if you have less than 100 berths, then will come into the category of the small marinas. So here we have discussed the whole classification of harbor. We are stopping our session here. Thank you for watching.